Pradhan Mantri National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme NE Region the awareness campaign ama classic grant da hodokre skill level employment and entrepreneurship department ki makhada Directorate of Craftsman Training na sinduna chathariba campaign adu hodokpagi thoram da saruk yakiba Textiles Commerce and Industry ki Additional Chief Secretary Anurag Baspaina hoziki matamda nahasingda masaga chanaba mahai masingna thabak pi bahaibasina khwaidagi maruoiba thabakni National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme asina government industry amadi nahasinggi punna chatkadaba thauram asina nahasingda kanaba kaya piragani masina local industry yokhatnabagi damak angamba thakta hotnabagi tangaifadaba phanghanba leire hainariba asi thabak to onthokpa ngamgani haiki Thauram aduga mari lainana SLEE gi Secretary and Bandanana deposit tauraga thabak tawhanba natraga tha taruk tolo fangdana thabak tawbagi chatnabi ama lairiba asi Apprenticeship Act ki mayokta leiba lona yadaba thabakni ngasidagi horiba campaign asigi makhada skill amagi matangda training fanglabadi thabak ama thibada awaba kaya leiramba adu kokhanba ngamgani haiki campaign asida lamdam asigi tongan ba mafam singdagi lakpa naha kayana saruk yaki.
With these steps we can turn awareness into action and policy into performance. The PM NAPS is not just a government program, it is a national mission to prepare a skilled, confident and employable generation. As we launch this campaign today, let us pledge to make apprenticeship a movement where every employer becomes a mentor, every youth a learner, and every skill a step towards a better India. Let us work together to ensure that no young person is left behind in this journey from learning to earning.